Hold up. Is that a shark on wheels? No, you're not dreaming. This beast right here is a one-of-a-kind shark motorhome, a wild fusion between ocean predator and luxury road living. Forget what you know about motorhomes. This thing eats normal RVs for breakfast, literally. Designed to look exactly like a great white shark, complete with fins, gills, and even those terrifying teeth, this custom RV has gone viral for being the most jaw-dropping motorhome ever built. But under all that sea monster styling hides a surprisingly practical and surprisingly luxurious living space. So today we're diving deep, pun totally intended, into the Shark motorhome. Its design, the crazy interior, how it actually performs on the road, and the weird, wonderful story behind why someone would even make something like this. Trust me, you've never seen an RV quite like this. Let's start with the exterior, because how can you not? This motorhome is built on a Class A RV chassis, but it's been completely reimagined with a hand-sculpted fiberglass shark body, created by artists who normally work on theme parks and movie props. The craftsmanship is insane. Every scale, gill, and fin was sculpted, sanded, and painted by hand. From the front, the shark's mouth is the bumper. The teeth are a mix of molded fiberglass and hidden LED accent lighting that looks absolutely menacing during the day and downright cinematic at night. The headlights are cleverly embedded in the shark's eyes, giving the front end an almost lifelike stare. Look closer, and you'll see the gill slits aren't just decoration. They're functional vents that feed air to auxiliary coolers and the HVAC system for the living quarters. The side fins? Not just for show. They double as aerodynamic stabilizers, tuned to reduce crosswind sensitivity and slightly cut drag on long highway stretches. Up top, the dorsal fin hides a reinforced mounting area for a panoramic skylight and solar panels. So when you park at a beach or festival, you can trickle charge the house batteries during daylight. The paint is a custom marine-grade finish, the same stuff used on luxury yachts. So it resists salt air and UV, and that velvety gray-white fade shimmers in sunlight like a real shark gliding through water. Even the tires and lower cladding got special treatment. Oversized mud terrain radials for style and grounding, wrapped around chrome coach wheels to keep the whole thing road legal and show ready. Step inside and the vibe changes completely. From the outside, it's a sea monster. Inside, it's pure comfort. The entry is through the shark's side door, which is framed by a subtle LED jawline. Step in and you're greeted by a full living area that somehow balances nautical whimsy with real luxury. The lounge has plush, leather seating, stitched with subtle wave patterns, a low coffee table that hides storage, and ambient RGB lighting that can shift color to match the time of day. Sunrise warm orange to midnight blue, whatever mood you want. A panoramic skylight disguised in the roof allows natural light to flood the cabin and creates this odd, beautiful illusion of being inside a creature and under the sky at the same time. The kitchen is compact, but fully equipped. Induction cooktop, convection microwave, a full-sized residential fridge, and clever storage solutions that hide away pots and pans with magnetic locks, so nothing shifts while driving. Even the faucet plays the theme. It's shaped like a stylized shark tooth, which is as ridiculous as it is charming. The dining area converts into a small workspace with built-in wireless charging and a fold-away table for laptop use. So you could actually run a small business from here if you wanted to. Toward the rear, there's a cozy bedroom, fitted with a queen bed, high-quality mattress, and blackout shades. The walls are adorned with ocean murals that give you that seafaring vibe without feeling theme park tacky. The bathroom is small but surprisingly classy. Glass shower with a rainfall head, marble touch surfaces, and even a custom mirror cut into the shape of a jaw. Little thoughtful touches everywhere show the builders cared. Dedicated storage for wetsuits and beach gear, a hidden boot tray with drainage, and HVAC zoning, so the bedroom stays cool while the front lounge basks in sunlight. Now, you're probably wondering, is this thing actually drivable or just a movie prop? It's fully functional. Underneath the theatrics lives a heavy-duty V8 turbo diesel engine, tuned to roughly 400 horsepower, mated to a robust automatic transmission. That power plant gives the shark enough grunt to cruise comfortably at highway speeds. and the reinforced aluminum chassis was upgraded to handle the extra weight of the custom bodywork. Handling won't fool you into thinking this is a sports car. The center of gravity is high and the mass is significant. But engineers added adaptive dampers and upgraded anti-roll bars, so it feels composed for an RV and surprisingly stable into highway corners. The cruise control, air brakes, and heavy-duty cooling make long hauls feasible. You can comfortably do a day's drive without overheating or losing ride quality. Fuel economy? Don't expect miracles. It's a large aerodynamic statement piece, not an efficiency machine. Plan on diesel consumption in the ballpark you'd expect from a big Class A coach, especially if you're running the full AC and systems. That said, the solar array and a big house battery bank mean you can boondock overnight and keep the fridge and lights running without firing up the engine. A huge plus if you like the idea of parking by the ocean and living off-grid for a day or two. The story behind this build is as entertaining as the RV itself. A small team of automotive artists and custom builders came together with one ridiculous brief: make the most realistic shark motorhome in the world. It took over 8 months to craft the prototype, with designers iterating sketches, 3D models, and full-scale clay mock-ups before committing to fiberglass. Initially built as a promo vehicle for a coastal festival, it blew up online the moment it hit the road. People loved it, the team realized there was genuine interest, and they finished the interior to road-legal spec. Now it tours car shows, beaches, and pop culture events. Fans line up for photos, kids run screaming with delight, and yes, occasionally someone asks if it actually bites. Ownership of something like this is different. It's less appliance, more lifestyle sculpture. Maintenance is higher than a standard RV. Custom bodywork needs specialist repairs, parts are bespoke, and insurance reflects the novelty and replacement cost. But for many owners of such vehicles, that's part of the appeal. It's a rolling conversation starter and a creative statement. If you're into that, the Shark Motorhome is unrivaled. If you want a low-cost, low-maintenance travel vehicle, stick with a production coach. So yeah, in a world where cars keep getting sleeker and safer, someone decided to shout, "Let's build a Shark you can live in." And honestly, we're here for it. The Shark Motorhome isn't just transportation. It's rolling art. A reminder that creativity still has no limits and that the car community still rewards wild ideas with applause. Would you dare to drive it cross-country? Or would you rather keep your feet on solid ground? If you enjoyed this weird, wonderful ride, hit like, subscribe for more insane automotive builds, and drop a comment. What should we review next? A spaceship van or a dragon truck?